How to activate mobile data in Redmi. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application on your device. Once you do, click on Mobile Network. After that, once you click on it, go to Internet and choose any one of the data which you want to turn it on. After that, go to Data Users below. Click on any one of the SIM which you are using for mobile network. Now here you need to make sure the data users limit is turned off. After that, also make sure data saving feature is turned off. At the end, go to network access and make sure all the application in which you require the network connection is allowed to access. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.